Okay, so I'm doing some maintenance on the clutch master cylinder, and I'm about to pull the piston out. I should have started this from the beginning, but I didn't know I was going to be able to get this far. I've taken the lever off, taken the reservoir off, the hose in the reservoir off right there. I've disconnected the line down there off of, let's see, right there's a slave cylinder. I got to go in a bottle there so that I'm not making a mess. What's going on is there's dirt clogging up the ports on the master cylinder, so the system is staying pressurized after releasing the clutch, which then in turn doesn't let the clutch engage and close the gaps in between the plates. It stays as if the clutch is pulled a little bit and it slips with my hand off the clutch. So right now I'm about to pull the piston out of the master cylinder, and I have not found a video on YouTube as far as the Brembo clutch master cylinder on a Ducati 1098 or a 1098s or an 1198 or an 848. So I figured, well, you know what, I'll just do it myself. And in case there's any more fluid coming out, I'm just going to pull this out. Try to, without damaging it. Let's see. Am I just going to have to do this with my fingers? I'll get it out here sooner or later. All right, really? All right, am I gonna? Okay, so I just had it jammed a little bit. Okay, there we go. Let's pull it out like this, straight. And there we go. Now it's coming out nice and straight. Boom. And there's all that. And this is, okay, there's a video that was on a different Ducati showing this. So I just need to clean the ports, clean all this out, flush the fluid, and just put it all back together. I do believe that's all I'm going to need to do, really. If it still gives me a problem, I'll just buy a new master cylinder. Oh, no wonder this fucker's. Yeah. This is nasty, nasty. Yep, so I'll just clean that, put it back in, and hopefully that'll do me good until, yeah. Yep. All right. So, and Mitch, the guy who owns and operates Precision Tuning in Palm Harbor there, which is part of Clearwater and Dunedin, across the street from Cycle Springs. He's given me his time and advice and everything, and so he has a loyal customer for when there's stuff I can't do, and I still need to pay him back somehow for helping me, guiding me and telling me what to do here, because I wouldn't have figured this out or thought of this. Yeah. Now I thought of this. Sorry, but you guys are going to have to get crooked for a second so you can see. Up in there, up in there, up in there. That's the inside of the master cylinder. And there's the ports. So I'm just going to clean all that out. Okay. And there's the piston that I took out of there. Hopefully I can clean that up. Okay. Yep, even though Ducatis are finicky, I'm still glad I have it. I've had all the Jack bikes. I like working on bikes, so this is good.